Alright guys, so today we're going to be servicing the Citroen DS3 1.2 petrol. You've probably seen it if you've been watching my other videos. Rebuilt the front end, crash damaged. But yeah, basically got some oil, we've got fuel filter, oil filter, cam filter, air filter. So we'll start with the air filter, which is back here. Just move all this stuff out. The fuel filter doesn't look fun to get to, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, got the air filter back here. Take these off. Look at here, looks like two T25 bits. A little clip on the back there. We get that off if we need to. T25. Just got this MOT'd as well yesterday, it's passed. Just advisories on some discs, I think one tyre. I'll just do this. Right, so I took them two screws out. Spin it off there, spin it around a little bit. Get this old one out. Pretty filthy. Got this little sponge back there as well. Box is a little filthy. Had something to really need something to like blow it out with, but don't really have anything. Put the new sponge in. Air filter, the difference. They needed changing. There we go. We'll just spin this round and put it back together. Right, got the air filter back in now. If you want to do the spark plugs, they're right here. Just take these little bolts off and then unscrew them. It's very simple. These ones don't need doing, they've been done though. Get that little cover, put that back on. Shouldn't need take that off now. Alright, let's get underneath, take the oil out. Jack it up for us, Grant. Oil filter's right here, nice and easy to get to. Got your sump plug right there as well. And you put this clip on it. Someone changed this, I assume. Yeah, see condenser, compressor. And the clip is stuck up here, so I need to try and unscrew it and get it out. But yeah, just gonna do this, probably not. Got the tie it away. I'm gonna need two hands here. Alright, so we've finally got the oil filter off, and as you can see, the thing is absolutely destroyed. I don't know who put that on there, but it must have been 100 newton meters. Genuinely, I want it. With both of us, at both arms, 4 arms, pulling it. We tried this one, we tried this one. That was the one that eventually got it off. Jesus Christ, I don't know who the hell put that on there, but that was impressively tight. So, got the new one now. Just going to clean up the area with a bit of, oh, the brake cleaner's over there as well. I'm going to clean up that area there a bit. And then put the sump plug back on. What size? Somebody's 8 hex on it. There's 8 hex to untighten that one. Clean that up. Filter, put a bit of oil on it. Just on the old one. We'll just lube up the O-ring a bit. Get it in there. These do not need to be tight at all. You can literally tighten it with your hand. You don't need to use anything to tighten these up. Just there you go. Be more than fine that. Now just change the crush washer on the sump plug and we'll screw that back in. That's an 8mm hex. So get that done, clean up a little bit here and then put some out with it. Alright, got all that tightened up. Oil filter on, sump plug, new crush washer. It's all sorted. Take this back out. Now we put some new oil in it. That's what I've got here. Expensive stuff this. I can get the lid off. I got a funnel this time, it's made out of a Coke bottle. I probably would have done that, you know, without the funnel, to be fair. Told you. Alright, so I filled up with some oil now, just to check. I'll just start it up, let it run a couple seconds, just to prime the oil filter and everything. Rev it a little bit, let it prime up. I'll just leave it for 5-10 and I'll check the levels again. Right, the oil and everything, that's all sorted, spot on level, it's not on the jack anymore. No leaks or anything. Not from the sump anyway, there's a gearbox leak I need to sort out. So now we're going to move on to the cam filter, which is over here. Let's pull that down. It hasn't been changed in a minute. Lovely. Oh, there's another one back here as well on this side. Yeah, that's never been changed, I don't think. So that's the way they were in. The new ones. A little small one, which way was that up? Airflow that way. That's that there. Just check, yeah, back wasn't sat in properly. You can just about see it. And then this one was this way. There we go, that's them in. You can see they're nice and flat. Just close that up. Clearly not been done in a while. Put this back. Happy days, there we go. Back in the bin. So, engine bay sorted. Just move on to the fuel filter now. Does this side run it?
I think I found the fuel pump with filter.
Oh, right. we'll figure out where that fuel filter goes. This one here. Might not even, I don't know, I just bought it on there. It might not even be for this car, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, we'll have a look for that quickly. Alright, so we did a little bit of research, and apparently it's meant to be over here somewhere, but it's not there, so probably not for this model or something. It's probably inside the fuel tank or something, so we're not going to bother with it. But yeah, that's it. We've done the air filter, cabin filter, oil filter, sun jacket now. Back on the floor. Yeah, it's spot on now, so pretty straightforward doing that. It's only sort of that little AC clip, but that's nothing to do with the service. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. This video helped. Thanks for watching. See you later.